Hi guys, today I received this sconce wall for reviewing purposes and I think it's really nice. Let's take everything out of the box. This is a black industrial finished lamp. Okay, this is one of the tubes where the light will go, light bulb. These are the proper light bulbs. They're really nice. They come only the two light bulbs that you need. Okay, they come really well protected with foam and bubble wrap, which is really nice. This is the main unit. Okay, we're gonna put the two tubes in here and then the light bulbs. And it just needs some basic wiring, which is really nice. Here we got the last tube. Okay, you can see it's really nice. And we've got the instruction manuals and everything we need to assemble it in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and assemble it and place it in the wall where it will be. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, now it's installed. It looks really nice. As you've seen, it was really easy to install, just some basic wiring, and that's all. I like how the light looks and gives to everything you want to have it under the light. Now removing the bit. Okay, so it's centered, and it's a really nice wall lamp. I like it a lot. As I've said, it's easy to install. It has an industrial finish that looks really nice. And it's really nice. So I will really recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.